The RedMagic 10 Pro 5G global version is an impressive gaming mobile phone designed to cater to the needs of both casual and hardcore gamers. This device features a large 6.853-inch display with a stunning resolution of 2688 by 1216 pixels, offering a vibrant and immersive visual experience. The screen boasts an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and a touch sampling rate that can reach up to 2,500 Hz instantaneously, ensuring lightning-fast responsiveness during gameplay. With a peak brightness of 2,000 nits, this smartphone delivers exceptional clarity even under direct sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor use. Under the hood, the RedMagic 10 Pro 5G is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with UFS 4.1 Pro storage and LPDDR5X RAM for seamless performance. This powerful combination ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming experiences. The phone comes in multiple configurations, ranging from 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage to an impressive 24GB RAM plus 1TB ROM option, providing users with ample space for their apps, games, and media files. Additionally, the global version supports multi-language functionality, Google Play Store access, and over-the-air OTA updates, ensuring that the device remains up-to-date with the latest software enhancements. One of the standout features of the RedMagic 10 Pro 5G is its advanced cooling system, which includes the ICX Magic Cooling System. This innovative setup incorporates an Alloy Shark fin high-speed centrifugal fan that operates at an impressive 23,000 RPM while maintaining extremely low power consumption. Combined with a high-low fan blade structure, this system effectively dissipates heat, keeping the device cool even during extended gaming sessions. Furthermore, the phone features dual triggers with a responsive 520 Hz sampling rate, enhancing the tactile feedback and precision required for competitive gaming. The battery life of the RedMagic 10 Pro 5G is equally impressive, featuring a massive 7,050 mAh dual-cell battery capable of supporting intense gaming sessions. It also supports super-fast charging at 80W, allowing users to quickly recharge their devices. For those who require even faster charging, the phone is compatible with 100W chargers, ensuring minimal downtime between gaming marathons. The inclusion of NFC technology adds versatility, enabling contactless payments and other convenient functionalities. In terms of design, the RedMagic 10 Pro 5G offers several stylish options, including Shadow/Lightspeed, Black/White, and Dusk/Moonlight transparent versions. The transparent variant provides a glimpse into the inner workings of the device, showcasing its advanced components. The phone's sleek dimensions of 163.42mm x 76.14mm x 8.9mm and weight of 229g make it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Its glass material construction not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also provides durability. On the photography front, the RedMagic 10 Pro 5G does not disappoint. It features a triple camera setup on the rear, consisting of a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP secondary lens, and a 2MP auxiliary camera. This configuration allows users to capture detailed and vibrant images in various lighting conditions. On the front, a second-generation 16MP under-display camera ensures high-quality selfies without compromising the full-screen experience. The RedMagic 10 Pro 5G also excels in connectivity, supporting Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6 with tri-band capabilities, 2.4G, 5G, 6G. This ensures stable and fast internet connections, crucial for online gaming and streaming. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the dual 1115K speakers, 3 mics, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, all certified by DTS X Ultra for immersive sound quality. The phone also supports full network compatibility and dual SIM dual standby, making it ideal for users who need separate lines for work and personal use. Running on RedMagic OS X based on Android 15, the device offers a multi-platform and multi-device interconnection experience, enhancing productivity and convenience. The packaging includes essential accessories such as the phone, an 80W power charger, a Type-C cable, a protective case, a SIM card tool, a quick start guide, and a warranty card, ensuring everything needed for an out-of-the-box experience is provided. In conclusion, the RedMagic 10 Pro 5G global version represents the pinnacle of gaming smartphones, combining powerful hardware, innovative cooling solutions, and a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a professional gamer or simply enjoy playing on your mobile device, this phone offers an unparalleled experience that caters to all your gaming needs. Available on platforms like Aliexpress, it stands out as a top choice for anyone seeking a premium gaming smartphone.